All right, moguls, we have came up with our business idea. We have did a business analysis. We have created our business plan. Now we are about to use ChatGPT to create our logo and slogan. Hi, my name is Che Jackson. It is my mission to educate and empower women who are interested in learning and leveraging AI tools. In today's video, as I mentioned, we will be using ChatGPT to create our logo and also our slogan. Now, one of the things that I will say is if you have not looked at the different videos I have concerning your business idea, conducting a business analysis and a business plan, I will link that up top as well as in the description box so that you can go and look at look at those videos. Now, if you already have your business idea and you're saying, Shay, girl, I'm just trying to get ready to dive in and create my logo and slogan, I got you, sis. Let's go. Let's get started. I am in ChatGPT, and now what we're going to do is use our prompt to create our logo and our slogan. And of course, you know that I have the prompt that you need to use, and here it is. This link will be in the description box. Imagine you are a seasoned brand coach tasked with guiding a budding entrepreneur through the process of developing their business logo and slogan for their business idea. Your role is to help them craft a unique logo and slogan for their business using the information below. Business overview. Briefly describe your business, including its name, industry, target audience, and core values. This is information you will need to fill out, okay? Logo vision. Share any specific imagery, colors, or themes you envision for your logo. This could include symbols that represent your business or values. Slogan ideas. List key phrases or concepts that you want the slogan to convey. Consider your unique selling points and what makes your business stand out. Using the details provided, the task is to develop a logo concept that visually represents your business identity and a catchy slogan that encapsulates your business essence and appeal to your target audience. So we have a example below. For business overview, we have Green Grow, an eco-friendly gardening supply company targeting urban gardeners. Values are sustainability, innovation, and community engagement. Logo vision. I envision the logo with a green color palette incorporating elements like leaves, urban skylines, and gardening tools to symbolize growth, urban gardening, and sustainability. Slogan ideas. Eco-friendly solutions for the urban gardener. Grow your own way, greening cities one plant at a time. So we are going to take all of this information and we are going to copy, paste it into ChatGPT. Now let's scroll down a little bit. This is the information that I will be using for our example. Do not, and it says right here, do not copy and paste this section below. Don't worry about copying and pasting this section. I just put it here because this is the example that I am going to use for today, okay? So I will be copying this because this is the information that I need. And we'll go over it once I copy it. Once I paste it. And also I need to add that example that I gave just to give ChatGPT something to look at as a reference. And that's one of the things that I talk about when it comes to your prompt. Whenever you're creating a prompt, you need to give context, what you're asking ChatGPT to do. And if you can give an example, that'll be great because it helps with having an understanding of what type of results you are looking for. So let me copy this example and let's dive in. Okay, let me scroll to the top so that you can see what our example is. Okay, we already talked about imagine you are a brand coach, so we know that information is there. The business overview. So I am starting a business as a tech career coach. I am a cybersecurity professional, been in the space, tech and cybersecurity space for 20 years. So this is the business that I will be starting. Okay, so you will be walking along with me as I grow this business. My business is a tech career coach business that assists individuals, especially women and minorities, with transitioning into the IT or cybersecurity industry. So that is my business overview. I gave the target audience, the industry, and also about my business. Logo vision. I would like my logo to communicate empowerment and technology. The colors I am thinking about using are dark fuchsia, which obviously it seems like I spelled wrong, and gold. My slogan ideas. I want to convey that that it is possible to start a tech career within 3 to 6 months, and you can, okay? Using the details provided, the task is to develop a logo concept that visually represents my business's identity and a catchy slogan that encapsulates my business essence and appeal to my target audience. Okay, now here's the example, and what I'm going to do is hit my arrow to see what ChatGPT gives me. Okay, now this is pretty cool because I did not ask Chat to give me a business name, but it did. Tech Elevate. Okay. Logo concept. The logo for Tech Elevate could incorporate elements that convey empowerment and technology while resonating with women and minorities aiming to enter the IT or cybersecurity industry. And I wanted to say something else about the business name. If you don't have a business name yet and you do this exercise of putting in the prompt for your logo and slogan, if it gives you a business name, a suggestion, please, I strongly suggest that you look it up to see if there's any other company that's using it, because you don't want to start using it and come to find out later down the road that it's already being used and then you have to change your name. Okay, so it's great that it gave me Tech Elevate as a company name. I will look it up to see if it's already in use. If so, I can ask ChatGPT, and that'll be something that I add on as a bonus. We'll look up asking for other business name ideas. Okay, the logo for Tech Elevate could incorporate elements that convey empowerment and technology while resonating with women and minorities aiming to enter the IT or cybersecurity industry. I just remembered, I already read that. The central element could be a stylized upward arrow symbolizing progress and advancement in the tech field. Surrounding the arrow could be circulatory patterns or binary code representing the technological aspect of the industry. The color scheme of dark fuchsia and gold can be integrated into the design, with dark fuchsia representing empowerment and gold symbolizing value and achievement. Okay, I like that so far. Slogan ideas. Empower your tech journey in 3 to 6 months. Accelerate your IT career 3 to 6 months to success. Transform your future tech careers in months, not years. Breaking barriers, building futures. Your tech career starts now. Unlock your potential. Fast track to tech success in 3 to 6 months. All of those are really good. Now, one thing that I will say is, remember I said with ChatGPT, what you want to do is give it specifics. So by default, it gave me 5 slogan ideas. But what if I wanted more? What I should have done is put in the number of creative ideas I would like for it to use, just so that I can have more options to choose from, okay? These slogans aim to capture the essence of the business's promise to empower individuals to enter the tech industry swiftly and effectively, catering particularly to women and minorities. They emphasize the quick timeline of 3 to 6 months, highlighting the achievable nature of transitioning into a tech career through Tech Elevate coaching services. So let's say that, yeah, I like this, but I would like more ideas. All I would need to do is click the circular arrow and it will regenerate more information. And let's look at the other options that it gave. Okay, for the logo, it says, oh, well, for the business name, it says Tech Transit. Don't like that. I do like Tech Elevate. The logo for Tech Transit integrates the concepts of empowerment and technology, catering to women and minorities aiming to transition into the IT or cybersecurity industry. In the center of the logo, a bold and stylized letter T stands prominently, symbolizing both tech and transition. The letter is formed by interlocking shapes reminiscent of circuitry, representing the technological aspect of the industry. Encircling the T are abstract representations of people, diverse in appearance, indicating inclusivity and the focus of assisting individuals from various backgrounds. Oh, that's pretty cool too. These figures are depicted in a dynamic pose, suggesting forward movement and progress, embodying the notion of empowerment through career transition. So I do like that, and it talks about dark future and goal. Now you notice it only, when I, for the regenerate, it only gave me one slogan: empowering futures, transforming in 3 to 6 months. So this is I actually like the other one better. So I'm going to put worse because I do like the first suggestion that it gave to me. Now, and this is the bonus that I said I would give. Let's ask Chat to give us some other name ideas. Using the information above, create 12 business names. And there you are. So just in case we didn't like the business names, or when you do this, if your prompt the response does not give you business name suggestions, all you have to do is put it, and I will put this in the document as well, using the above information, create 12 business names, and you can go through and look and see if the business names that you're given, if it's something that you like, or you can regenerate, or you can match them up, mix and match. You can take a name from one line and match it with something else. Like, for instance, I could put Tech Bridge Career Coaching. Let me see. Or I could put Tech Bridge Mentoring or Next Step Tech Career Coaching. And if you don't like those, you be creative and come up with a name that you are not preparing just to start your business, but also what would you like to see ultimately your business to be. Think of that when thinking of your name, okay? That is it for today's video. Now, if you need any help with your business getting started using ChatGPT based on any of the videos that I've already created that I mentioned looking at, or you just want to talk to somebody to bounce off ideas, I do offer a free 15-minute call with me where we can explore, talk about your business ideas, and also how you can use AI tools to not only start, but grow and expand your business as well. My name is Che Jackson. I will talk to you later.